Today we'll go over the confidence interval. So the confidence interval is basically a range of value to estimate the population mean. The formula is the mean plus or minus t times s divided by square root of n. So x is basically the sample mean, t is the critical value, then s is the sample standard deviation, then n is the sample size. So let's say we want to estimate the average battery life. We have a sample size of 25 phones. We have a sample mean of battery life of 9.5 hours. We have a sample standard deviation of 1 hour. Our confidence interval, basically it is our confidence level is 95%. So we basically have the mean as 9.5 plus or minus t times 1 as the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size, which is 25. Now this is our standard error, which is 1 over 5, which is 0.2. Then this is our margin of error. So the margin of error is t times 1 over square root of 25. So to find the t value, we need the degree of freedom, which is 25 minus 1 is 24. Our alpha is 0.05 and it's two-tailed. So from the t table, we can get the t value, which is 2.060. So our margin of error is 2.060 times 0.2, which is 0.41. So again, we have 9.5 plus or minus 2.060, 1 divided by the square root of 25, so 9.5 plus or minus 0.41. The confidence interval is 9.5 plus or minus 0.41. The lower limit is 9.5 minus 0.41, which is equal to 9.09. The upper limit is 9.5 plus 0.41, which is equal to 9.91. Now what does this give? It gives a range to the estimate